Today, I'll show you how to upgrade a hosting plan on Namecheap. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for so you can move to a more powerful plan without any confusion or guesswork. First, make sure you're logged into your Namecheap account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main dashboard. This is your central control panel where you can manage everything in your account, from domains to hosting and more. If you're not already on the dashboard, look for the main account or dashboard option at the top of the page and click it. It's important to start here because all the tools you need to change your hosting plan are organized in this area. From your dashboard, you'll want to locate the section labeled Hosting List. This is where Namecheap shows all the hosting services currently attached to your account. Go ahead and click on Hosting List. The page that opens will display each of your hosting packages in a list format, usually showing details like the plan name, status, and renewal date. Take a moment to review this list so you can be sure you're working with the correct account, especially if you manage multiple websites or projects. Next, find the specific hosting plan you want to change. Look carefully at the domain name or description associated with each entry to confirm you're selecting the right one. This is a good time to double check that this is the site that actually needs more resources like storage, bandwidth, or better performance. When you've identified the correct hosting package, click on it. This will expand or open the details for that particular plan, giving you more options and settings related to that hosting account. Within the hosting details, look for a small drop-down menu associated with the current plan. This drop-down is usually placed near the plan name or on the right side of the hosting entry. It may look like a small arrow or a button that reveals more actions when you click it. Go ahead and click on that drop-down. This is where Namecheap groups together different management options for your hosting. In the drop-down menu, look for the option that says Change Current Plan or something very similar. This is the feature that lets you upgrade your hosting package. Click on Change Current Plan. Once you do this, Namecheap will take you to a page where you can see the available plans you can upgrade to. On that page, take your time to compare the different plans, making sure the one you choose fits your needs in terms of traffic, storage, and any extra features you might require. After choosing the new plan, follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your selection and proceed through any payment or confirmation steps. Be sure to review the summary before finalizing the change so you understand the new billing amount and renewal terms. And that's it. You've now upgraded your hosting plan on Namecheap by starting from the dashboard, going to your hosting list, selecting the correct hosting account, opening the drop-down, and choosing to change your current plan.